everyone, here I am, Babs Worthy on the Black History Walking Tour. This is point number 12, the Voices of Freedom Black History Walking Tour. And I'm at the very busy intersection into Niagara-on-the-Lake, where this is the Negro burial ground, a site that many people drive right by without even knowing. And there's the plaque showing you what it is. It's right as you come into town. After the War of 1812, a Baptist church was built right here, and a graveyard. But it wasn't until 1862 that the Baptist Union actually listed this as black, the congregation as black, because up until then it had been predominantly white members, although Reverend Lacy worked here as a minister, and he was black. The town changed over the years, and people moved away for better jobs, and the congregation became smaller, and in 1878 it only listed 10 members. Herbert, Holmes, and Jacob Green are buried right here. There's no tombstone for them. They were both involved with the Solomon Mosby riot. They were involved with the protest, and they were there when they were trying to take Mosby out of the jail. He was being extradited down to the States to face charges being brought against him by his former owner. Mosby escaped. Herbert and Jacob were both shot and killed, and they're buried right here. No tombstones, unfortunately. There are tombstones though here. The Wesley family have tombstones here. The Wesley family lived right across the street, and their family used this lot. And then after that, the lot became overgrown. The church, of course, had been long gone, and the town took it over. The town took over the maintenance. There you go. See you at the next Voices of Freedom, point number 13.